Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can switch between color modes on Inkscape, like for example from RGB to CMYK colors or other color modes. So let us get started. So head over to your document, let me go with this example shape here, and you may for example change the color here at the bottom, or sorry, by navigating to the sidebar here. Enable the sidebar by clicking into this handle. Navigate to fill and stroke, make sure that the given object is selected, of course. And then you may navigate to the fill color here at the top. Choose either solid color or gradient and so on and so forth. And here use the color wheel, expand it if needed, to pick your color, to apply it to your selected object. Now, the color mode feature is listed here in the top right. Choose style of color selection, which is set to HSL for me on default, but if you click into the drop-down menu, you may navigate to RGB and then choose the color here from that slider, for example, or use CMYK. And yeah, you will see the transparency or opacity slider below to adjust the opacity of the selected object or color. And that's how it works, guys. So thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.